Assalamu alaikum and welcome, dear friends. I hope you are enjoying to see my videos and also waiting for the next video. Am I right? Okay, before starting the lesson, please make happy faces like this. Now, let's start our lesson. The letter of the day is Q. This is capital Q and this is small q. And its phonic is qua. Qua. Okay. Who is she? She's a queen. Queen begins with phonic qua. Queen. Qua. Queen. Okay. Now I have another picture of queen. She is a queen. Qua. Queen. Okay. Who is he? Do you know? He is the founder of Pakistan and he is Qaid-e-Azam. 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 I have more pictures of Qaid-e-Azam. Qaid-e-Azam. Okay, what is it? This is a Quran. 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 Okay. Now look at this. These are some children and they are standing in a queue. In a queue. Okay. I have one more picture. These are some ducks and they are going in a queue. Queue. Okay. Now I have more picture. One more picture. These are children and they are going in a boat and they are sitting in a queue in the boat. They are sitting in a queue. Queue begins with phonic qua. Queue. Queue. Okay. Now I have a picture of one thing more. This is a circle and it has four parts. It has four parts and only one part is colored. Only one part is colored. This colored part is called quarter. Quarter. Like this. This is a pizza and this one part have eaten and we can say quarter part of the pizza is eaten. Okay? Quarter. Quarter. Okay. I have a bird which name is quail. 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 Okay. Do you know what is this? I have this quail. Quail of pigeon. This is a quail of pigeon and quail begins with phonic quail. Quail. Okay. What is this? Do you know? It is a question mark. Question mark begins with phonic question mark. Question mark. Okay. Now, what is it? This is a duck. Is it duck begins with phonic qua? No, but duck says quack quack. Quack quack begins with q. Quack quack begins with phonic qua. Quack quack quack. Quack quack. Look at this. What is it? This is a quilt. We use it in winter season. Quilt keep us warm. Okay. Quilt. Quilt. I have one more picture of quilt. Look at this bedroom. This is a bed, and what is this on the bed? This is a quilt. Quilt keep us warm. It begins with phonic quilt. Quilt. Okay. Do you use quilt in the winter? Yes, we use quilt in the winter season. At the end of the lesson, please give a big hand to yourself, and we will meet in the next video. So, Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.